How to fix the Streamlabs mic not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So if your microphone is not working in the Streamlabs, there are some potential fixes you can try. So firstly, check the basic connections, like ensure your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Verify that your microphone is not muted and the volume is turned up. Now select the correct microphone in the Streamlabs as well. Open the Streamlabs, go to the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner and navigate to the audio tab. In the mic auxiliary device drop down, select your microphone from the list. Now click the done option to save the settings. Now also check the Windows sound setting as well. Right click the sound icon in the system and try and select the sounds. Go to the recording tab and ensure your microphone is set as the default device. Click on the right click on your microphone and select the default. Now also adjust the microphone properties by following the steps right here, and the fifth step is to check the Streamlabs audio monitoring. In Streamlabs, click the general gear icon in the mixer section next to your microphone input. After that, you will be opening your audio monitoring drop down if you want to hear your microphone. Now disable the exclusive mode and update your audio drivers as well. After that, you just need to run the Windows and check the Streamlabs updates as well and reinstall the Streamlabs. So after this, you are done. By following the steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue with your microphone not working in Streamlabs. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.